Hello guys, welcome to Educate Andhra. Myself is Prabhakar. In this video, we are going to discuss read a table data in a Databricks using the Pyspark script. So let's say we have a table in a catalog. The table name is orders. So if at all you want to know how to create the table, you can watch my previous video. So and here you can copy this table path. Okay. So and here right, we are in notebook. This is Databricks notebook. So you can watch my previous video to create the notebook. And right, we are going to add a Pyspark code below. To do that, right, there will be a plus code option here. Click on that. A cell will be created. Inside this cell, we are going to write a Pyspark code. So spark.read.csv. So here, right, in double quotes, we have to give our table path, and this result we have to store in a variable. That variable name orders underscore df. See, that's it. So in the next step, right, we have to display this data, a variable data, a data frame data, by using the show method. Now let me run this script. So it is running. It will take a few seconds because it has to go to the table and it has to read the data. Looks like it's failed, couldn't cloud invalid path. Let me run it again. It's not a CSV, it is a table. Okay, it's a table. Now let me execute the command again. See, the data is displayed. So we have a order ID, customer ID, product ID, order date, amount, quantity, and so on columns. So with this, right, so we can do the transformations. Let's say we can select the multiple columns, or we can select only one column or selected columns. So those details will be available in the upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned.